Alright, gentlemen, we need to talk. Some of you are out there posting dating photos like you're trying to scare women away on purpose. You're an amazing man, stable, smart, successful, but your dating profile, it looks like a crime scene. You've got the car selfies, the bad selfies, the I swear my feet aren't that big, it's just the lens photos. Guys, dating apps are not a scavenger hunt. Women should not have to decode what you look like. Here's the truth. Women make a decision in 3 seconds based on your photos, just like you do. If your first photo says, I live in a cave and I hate joy, you're not getting the kind of women you want. But don't panic. This isn't about being 25 or having abs made by NASA. It's about presenting yourself like the man you actually are. Confident, mature, high value, and not taking selfies in your bathroom like a 19-year-old TikToker. If you want to fix this, your photos, your profile, your entire dating strategy. I break everything down step by step inside my course, The Modern Gentleman's Dating Blueprint. It's designed specifically for men 40 plus who want real connection, not a part-time job swiping. The link has all the details, but please, for the love of God, delete the mirror selfie in the bathroom. Click the link below. I'm so excited to work with you. Let's get started.